The maintenance side of things have been quite simple. Over the year and a half, we've probably re-screwed about 10 screws, and that was more due to the concrete that we laid it over being in poor condition. So from a maintenance perspective, really easy to maintain. The square pattern has definitely made our yard washout simpler. So when we initially trialled the matting on our scales, we put it on one set of scales and not the other. There was a significant reduction in animal welfare issues on the new scales versus our old set of scales. I actually graphed it, and there's numerical data to prove that we improved animal welfare outcomes by installing this matting. The mats, from our perspective, are paying for themselves every week, just that reduced labour cost with washout. And I suppose the second part is the longevity that I believe we'll get out of them. Obviously, we're only a year and a half into that, but we're already getting ready to place our next order for another 1,000 square metres. So it is beneficial for us, and we'll continue down this pathway.